Listen up. Barklem! Earphones! Let's make sure we're clear as a fucking bell on this. Now, our brigade combat team is coming in here and here. I know you were expecting amphibious assault, but with last-minute reports of a CSAT sub lurking somewhere off the coast, higher shit canned the plan and left us with this. So, take a good look at that terrain. Can't do what we did on Malden, driving off in the wrong direction. This is enemy territory, and we definitely don't want to end up lost. Our LZ is this one, Mustang. Captain Drabble's over on Blazer. Together, we'll converge on Chalkeia, which must fall within an hour of our landing.
Clear. Ramp.
That's not a lot of time. The idea is to move fast and get a foothold. A second front here, close to Pegasus, will leave the AAF no choice. They will have to weaken their grip on the main airport. Before that, though, we'll be facing armor from the capital itself. By we, I mean...
Touching down in 2 mics. Time to mount up back there.
Copy that. Be ready in 1. No. By we, I mean our boys already on the ground. Special forces, blocking approaches here and... Fuck! Search!
Mayday! 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 This is Condor 4-1! We're hit! Engine 1 is out! Going down!
Bunker! Hawks! Sierra 1-4 to unknown station. Say again your last. Sierra 1-4 to unknown station. Come in. Nothing heard. Over. Sierra Actual, it's Barklem. Do you copy? Firebrand! Firebrand! Hey! Shit, what happened? He shot?
I need a needle and adrenaline. Get me a medikit now. He's unconscious.
Sure, give me a sec, Doc. This what you're after?
Yeah. Okay.
Enemy spotted. Truck, half a click, south. Holy shit. He's a regular Lazarus man.
Easy. Spades, you good?
Come on, we gotta be out of here. Rifleman, 200 meters back. Rifleman, 200 meters back. Soldier, 200 meters back. Hostile down. Form line. Danger. Rifleman, 200 meters, right! Man, 200 meters, right!
Cover me! I'm covering, go!
MRAP, 75 meters, behind us!
Move! Covering fire!
Soldier, half a click, south!
Sniper, 200 meters, right flank! AT soldier, 75 meters, left!
I've got it!
On the move!
Cover me!
Target's down!
Moving!
Go!
Okay, let's go!
MRAP, 100 meters, front!
Move out!
Soldier, 200 meters, left!
Target's down!
Moving! Covering fire! Covering, go! On the move! Go! On the move!
Truck, 600 meters, south!
Moving!
Rifleman, 200 meters, right up ahead!
Cover me! On the move! Go! I'll cover!
Cover me!
Guardian to November actual. Do you copy? Over.
Affirmative. 2x3, sir. The signal's weak, but, we can hear you. We're at the emergency rendezvous point at grid 213104, the surf club. Quebec never landed, and Sierra are scattered. I don't know about Oscar and Papa. Over.
Copy. Papa's VTOL didn't make it, so don't expect much company. You may be a third lieutenant, but you're in charge now.
Acknowledged. Well, reassemble and reassess. Sierra Actual, report. Where's that mortar? Over. Sierra Actual, this is November Actual. What's your status? Sergeant Ramirez, key the radio if you can't talk. Over. All troops in combat. If anyone can get to grid of... Wait, grid 212102. See if you can locate our mortar. We need it here at the ERV. Out.
Move! Covering fire! Stealth.
Contact. Infantry. 100 meters. Left flank. Scratch one. Moving. Go on cover. Stay sharp.
On the move! Silence.
Oscar to November Actual. We're coming to you. About a half a click from Point Superior. Over. Copy, Oscar. You have an ETA? 10 mics, give or take. We got a lot of wounded here. It's slowing us down. We can't... Oscar! Words twice! Rest assured we'll be there. Don't move without us. Out.
Form diamond. Stay alert.
Corporal Barker?
Barklem, sir, yeah.
Okay, well, you're not injured. You can join the rest of November. They're on the hill behind me. See the chapel? That's our last line of defense. We can't let the AAF take it. There's some ammo boxes up there.
Oh, and, I got you that mortar.
Thank God for small mercies, right?
Target down.
Right up ahead. Rifle, 200 meters right flank. 100 meters. Right up. Target's down.
got an enemy soldier 200 meters right up ahead. Target's down.
Engaging!
Engaging target! He's hit! Soldier, 100 meters left. Man, 100 meters back.
Engaging!
Rifleman, 75 meters, left flank! Soldier, 100 meters front. Target down.
Engaging target!
2! Fire at that soldier!
Rifleman, 75 meters front. Copy, I'm on it.
Engaging target!
We've got an enemy soldier 200 meters right up ahead. He's down.
Soldier! 200 meters to the right of us! Engaging target!